Hello everyone. So in this video we will see stocks for tomorrow 27th May Thursday, and the first stock is Page Industry will buy up 32210, and second is Polycab which you have to buy up 1700 will keep SL around 1685. Then we have UBL which is near to his major breakout, so we'll buy this above 1320. Then we have TVS Motors. This also we can buy above 665, and today's high is 660. Okay, so we'll buy above 665. Then we have Coforge you can check in intraday also, otherwise the level is 3550. And then we have GSPL, not very good structure, but still we can consider this for intraday above 284 if it breaks. Like today, there was one stock, Gensar Tech. Like after a long time, it has broken that resistance and has given good move. And then we have VGuard. VGuard we have to buy above 255. And then we have Endurance. Endurance we can buy above 1520. And stop loss you can keep today's closing of 1490. And then we have Entertainment Network Limited. This is giving a very good range breakout, and we have to buy this above today's high 194 195. And you can buy this for swing as well. And just remember, if it closes below this breakout level, any daily candle, suppose one daily candle closes this below this level, you can exit. So you can take risk here for positional as well. So it should give target around to, if it sustain, then it should give target 132 and 180, means at least 50 point it should move if it sustain. So you can buy this for positional as well. Then we have Eveready. Eveready will buy above 335 this side. Then we have Kirloskar Ferris. This will be pure intraday, will buy above 265. Allset Technology, this we have to buy above 390, again intraday trade, stop loss 383, or on 5-minute chart if you get some support, then volume is very, this is very liquid stock, so you have to keep your position sizing less. Then we have RK Forge. Like RK Forge finally moved today, so it's very good pick for tomorrow if break 671, because it has given breakout then retested and price was not going down and again it bounced, so we can buy this above 671. Then there is one stock, Cerebra Integrated, and the code is Cerebra INT, say Cerebra Integrated. So this has given a kind of triangle breakout, and it has broken this swing high also. Actually, this was a very good point for buying. This was 53. We missed that. Now this is also kind of one level where there are 2 3 swing high, and today also it closed around this. So if breaks high, we can take a risk. We'll buy above 58. We'll keep stop loss around 56.5. Then we have Vector Food. Vector Food, again we can buy this for swing, because this has broken this level of 428. So tomorrow in intraday we can buy above 436, and if it sustain above 427 you can buy for swing as well. If the daily candle closes below this, you can exit. Then we have Home First above 541, and Boro Borosil. So Borosil we can buy above 254. So the Borosil also you can buy for positional. If you want, you have to keep stop loss around this level, this zone. If daily candle closes below this, so you can calculate your risk around 215, I guess, and buy only if it breaks this 254. And then few stocks like Raj Ratan, just keep in radar if it breaks 1100. Nucleus Software, this if breaks 650. G GPIL, what is this? G Power India Limited. So this also kind of trend line. If you are risky trader, you can take risk above today's high, or else you just wait for this 315 level. There it is kind of a range, a rectangle. So this. So either you take risk around this 296. If you don't have any other stock, you can take this also. Safe side, you wait for 315. So what I do, out of all these 10, 15, 20 stocks, I just see, I pick one or two where I will get proper entry, and then I ignore all other stocks. And once I book profit in existing stocks, because I don't carry more than two positions at a time, I book, once I book the profit and position, then I check this list and see if there is any other script available where breakout is going to happen. Then we have one stock, Kesora Mind. This we have to buy above 90. Then we have Tex Rail. This also you keep in radar. This is very small stock, so problem comes in small stocks is calculating the risk and all. So this is like we have to buy above 31.5 and we have to exit at 30.80. So this is kind of 2%. So this risk calculation is important in small stocks. And we have Man Infra. This has today given breakout, so tomorrow breaks high, we can take the position. So these are stocks for tomorrow. And for positional, I think Mahindra Holidays, MHRI is also good. It has given breakout today. The breakout level was 250. So you can take position, but it should sustain above 250. And HBL Power is also good for swing. It has given very strong breakout, so you can buy, but your stop loss will be around 38.80. So those two picks are there for positional and swing. So all these stocks I keep in a separate list where strong breakout is pending or happening, and from them this list I just move it. I can see all the stocks I keep here. RK Forge, KPR Mill. This has given breakout today. Vector. This is Telbros. Some stock is there. This can also give breakout over 248. Allsec, Kirloskar Ferris, Abrady, Rajratan, Gujarat, Apollo, Monte Carlo. This also can give a breakout. So all these stocks where some pattern is forming, a kind of means running from past few weeks, those I keep in this list. And like this stock, Dynamic Product, this has given breakout, now taking support. If it breaks high 590, we can buy. So this is how manage one list. Whenever I see one stock, I add it in that list, and then I regularly pick stocks from that sheet. So these are stocks for tomorrow. Thank you everyone.